How did you kind of get over your dependency on food, right? How did you center yourself? How did you come back to start sort of eating too, which is be a part of a movie, like a big budget movie, sort of a Bollywood sequel, so to speak, right? And whatever
One of the biggest franchise.
correct, and stuff that I'm sure you will start doing from today. How do you go from Miss Universe being trolled, starting to maybe use food as a crutch? How do you leave that crutch? How do you kind of rebuild yourself?
It's not easy. I'm a Punjabi. I love food. अगर काम की बात है तो मैं खाने की बात बहुत करती हूँ. I mean, it's okay. But if I have to tell you my experience of fitting into the shape back, it took me 2 years.
Okay.
And 1 year it took me to mentally prepare myself that it's not going to happen overnight. Because I was always so frustrated in the sense I used to just go to the gym and I used to come back and I used to be like, I'm looking the same. Or, when you, in the beginning, when you go to the gym,
Yeah.
That first 1 month, you feel like maybe you're gaining more weight because you look more puffy or whatever,
Yeah.
So what I used to do, I used to go and then used to come back, get upset and eat again, and this is, I'm saying, I'm counting this from Miss Universe. So it took me 3 years, actually, not even 2. I used to get so upset and I used to make sure when it's so funny, my building in New York, they had a Starbucks. So every time I used to go up, I could smell the coffee and I used to just go. I used to order a venti, caramel frappuccino, extra dessert, extra everything.
I believe that's a dessert.
After the gym.
Yeah.
Imagine. And I used to have twice also.
Yeah.
But it was because, it became my comfort because I was really upset not to see the change in my body. So it took me time to kind of tell myself that you have to be patient. It's a process, and I just, with time, because at that time I started reading books also to, it's not just about being healthy physically, it's about being mentally healthy. And if you just, मन में अगर ठान लिया ना अपने कि मुझे ये करना है, फिर तो जिंदगी में कुछ भी हो जाए, सब you can मुकम्मल कर सकते हो आप.
That feeling, that thought, that मैंने ठान लिया है.
Sorry, when I?
Like I have, I've taken, मैंने ठान लिया है.
ठान लिया, जी.
Well, is that natural to you?
नहीं,
Is that something you had to work on?
I think in general, anybody, when you get too comfortable in your life, तो फिर मतलब कुछ गड़बड़.
At 22 or at 21,
Yeah.
how did you build that mental fortitude? Or, how did you kind of rewire your head?
It's when you keep trying and you know that you're not giving 100%. There will be one day when you're like, enough. I'm going to stop that. Rather than cribbing and crying every day about it, like I'm not losing weight, I'm not going to do this, aise nahi hoga, because manifestation, again, I'm doing it wrong. I'm attracting that. That's becoming my reality. मतलब एक ना एक दिन वो आएगा जिस दिन आपका वक्त बदलेगा. And that happened after almost 2 years to me. To tell myself enough of crying, enough of self-pity, enough of, just being really upset and, having that angst in it. Like, why am I not losing weight? Enough of that. For next 6 months, I'm not going to look at the weighing machine. I'm going to just go, close my eyes, I'm going to blind myself and keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it, keep it. So 6 months, I saw some results,
Okay.
And I think around that time, I kind of signed my film also.
Okay.
And that gave me more confidence.
Okay.
Now